This is a dairy farm at Aura village of Kupwara, established by a female beneficiary under the Integrated Dairy Development Scheme of Animal Husbandry Department. Beneficiary came to know about the scheme via an awareness camp that was conducted by Animal Husbandry Department. She was encouraged and guided by Animal Husbandry Department in setting up the requisite infrastructure for the farm. She applied for 4 units, that's 20 cows and machinery, through the Integrated Dairy Development Scheme and got 50% subsidy on all the components. Currently, the farm is running successfully with an average production of 4 quintals of milk per day and an annual expected turnover of around 4 to 5 million rupees. The farm provides employment to 6 persons of the area. Such farms are established across the district by Animal Husbandry Department through Integrated Dairy Development Scheme.